We have a few last items before we once again congratulate our new graduates. A hearty congratulations. I'd like to ask Dr. Adam Godi to come and address the congregation on behalf of the graduates. This is the class representative, and he has a few words to say on behalf of the class.
Wenukale lani tulabdana wenukale sizojigizinto wenukale lani tulabdana wenukale lani oh tulabdana wenukale lani Hi! Wenukalelani, tulamdan. Wenukalelani, sizochigisinto. Tulamdan. Wenukalelani, tulamdan. Wenukalelani, tulamdan. Wenukalela chigizinto tulamdana tulamdana wenukalelani tulamdana wenukalela
wenukalelani Wenukalelani tulamdana wenukale sizauchi izito tulam wenukalelani Isikhalo ska Dr. Sihoye Wenukalelani Thank you. Wenukalelani Isikhalo sikagqirha Sihoye Wenukalelani Sizauchi izinto Wenukalelani Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Just for a simple translation, it's about, for those who don't understand the song, it's about things are going to change. So don't cry, things are going to change. So we added some of the lyrics changes so that the cries of the doctors, you need to listen to them. So that's what we're trying to say. Things are going to change.
So the next part of today is a part of the celebration that brings me great joy. So when I spoke about that song, Sizojika Izinto, I think you can sing it if you know it. Thank you. Thank you. So thank you very much. Thank you. Oh.